So where to stay when visiting Expo 2025?
We've got you covered.
Come with us as we take you on a visit of 7 outstanding hotel accommodations for your visit.
We begin with several hotels located at Universal City because they are very convenient to the upgraded Sakurajima station, from where you can take a bus to Expo 2025. Universal City is easily accessible from Shin Osaka Station or Osaka Station by the new Expo liner running on the Osaka Loop line. For our first hotel, we explore the Parkfront Hotel, which is steps away from the station. This is one of the more upscale hotels at Universal City, and it is themed with time travel. Everywhere you look, you see references to time, such as the quirky time travel concierge. And even the elevators get into the groove with their retro numbering. For our visit, we stayed in a deluxe twin room up on top, providing us with 2 large, comfortable beds, refrigerator, a coffee maker, along with a nice sitting area by the window looking out over Universal City and Osaka. There's a separate dressing area with private water closet and a very spacious separate tub and shower. Downstairs on the main level is the large restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At this time of year, they were offering a special strawberry package, as you can see by the decorations.
So what do you think about this hotel?
I love this hotel.
You love it, and why do you love it?
Well, the beds were extremely comfortable, and the shower and the soaking tub was fabulous. And most important, there was a coin laundry machine on every single floor. 600 yen, a laundry was done.
And that's a biggie when you're traveling throughout the country.
It sure is.
Okay, so there you heard it from the expert.
You are sure to enjoy the Parkfront Hotel if that is your choice.
This is the Hotel Keihan, the official hotel for Universal Studios Japan.
Upon entering this 32-story upscale hotel, you are greeted with a voluminous soaring lobby and reception area filled with light. The first floor offers the Garden Buffet restaurant, offering breakfast and lunch to guests and those in the park. On the 32nd floor is the Top of Universal, a sky restaurant with large walls of glass and views in all directions, offering a buffet of Asian and Western dishes. Though a few rooms are rather small, most of them are pretty generous, with some of them offering up to 400 square feet. There are bunk bed rooms and rooms that can accommodate up to 6 or more guests. Venture up to the Sky Spa on the 31st floor, overlooking all of Universal City for some indulgent pampering after a long day at the expo. Hotel Keihan will surely drive you to hotel bliss.
Now the Hotel Kintetsu behind me here is a themed hotel. The rooms have various themes you'll enjoy. They're geared more toward families visiting the park. The rooms are a little bit smaller, but they're brightly decorated and a fun place to stay.
Stepping into the lobby, you'll feel as if you walked into a Marvel comic book stage with its retro graphics. On the 3rd floor, you'll find the Epoch Cafe, which can be accessed from inside and outside the hotel, offering a variety of casual buffet fare, with the Fossil dining room next door with its dino-themed decor. This is a very light-hearted place, and the Hotel Kintetsu is definitely for those that are young or young at heart. For our next hotel, we step away from Universal City. The XL Hotel Tokyu is located in central Osaka, a very short walk from Homachi Station. This is important because Homachi is on the Osaka Metro Chuo line, which terminates at the new Umeshima Station, which is the east gate for Osaka Expo 2025, making it very convenient. The hotel is situated in a very upscale part of town, and you know it's upscale when there is a McLaren dealership across the street.
So let's go see what it's all about.
After taking the elevator to the reception area on the 16th floor, you are greeted with a spacious lobby complete with a sitting area for relaxing and taking in the views of Osaka. Or on the other side, enjoy a drink at the Mido Bar and Lounge with its unique water sculpture. The artwork throughout the hotel is exceptional and makes for an elevated experience. This is a very upscale business hotel complete with a full-service restaurant along with fitness center. But the stars of the show are the rooms themselves. There are a variety of rooms, including the Superior Double, having 236 square feet and a spacious bathing room. Then there's the Superior Twin, which is larger, having 355 square feet and featuring a separate chase lounge, along with a separate water closet and bathing area. Next, there is the Japanese-style twin with beds closer to the floor, also offering 355 square feet, a view of the temple below, and sitting area as well. But for the ultimate luxury, book a room on the Mito floor with its private lounge for these guests, and consider the Amamura Suite with its 505 square feet, complete with large lofted sleeping area looking down to the dining area below. The seating area below the loft leads into the sumptuous bathing and dressing areas. Or if you prefer something even larger, book the Minami Suite, which at 807 square feet is the largest of them all, and it's a corner suite with incredible sweeping views of Osaka. We've not seen a room like this in all our travels. The bathing area is simply luxurious, and the bedroom has floor-to-ceiling windows. A full kitchen is available as well as private chef service. The XL Hotel Tokyu offers a mix of upscale business accommodations and even more upscale luxury for those so inclined.
Now, since you're enjoying this video, please be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons. It really motivates us to do more. It's quick, it's easy, and
we won't put you on any mailing list.
So be sure to do it now, and also click the notification button to make sure you're notified every time we post a new video. Now, right behind me is the Hotel Seagull. It's a very convenient hotel for those going to the Expo 2025. It's on the Osaka Metro Chuo line, and just 2 stops from this station is the Expo 2025. However, one additional benefit is right over here, you have the Osaka Aquarium, as well as this amazing waterfront to enjoy.
This is an older hotel, as evidenced by its common areas. However, we've found that older hotels in Japan tend to have larger rooms than the newer ones. As a result, this hotel offers larger than normal rooms, starting with its smallest offering of the Deluxe Double having 300 square feet, or the Executive Twin featuring 355 square feet, and even up to the Seagull Suite having a whopping 660 square feet. So for a hotel on the waterfront next to the impressive Osaka Aquarium and just a 5-minute walk from the Osaka Metro Chuo line, you might consider the Hotel Seagull. Now let's return to our last 2 hotels at Universal City.
Now let's check out the Hotel Universal Port Vita.
The Port Vita Hotel is right across the street from the Universal City Station. It offers a welcoming lobby area and rooms overlooking Osaka Bay. Most of the rooms are decorated in subdued, elegant styling, with the smallest having around 290 square feet to the largest having around 410 square feet, sleeping up to 6. There are several dining options, including the Rex Cafe or the Port Dining Rico Rico with its Mediterranean flair, or perhaps the Solis Gratia Italian Farm Buffet. This is another great hotel option with easy access to the Expo. Now for our last hotel on the list.
Now, this is obviously the Oriental Hotel Universal City. It's a little more upscale, so let's go check it out.
At the Oriental Hotel Universal, you step into the lobby with soaring wood sculptures designed to mimic a rainforest, encouraging an earth-friendly atmosphere. But you'll also find upscale accommodations such as the Moderate Double offering 193 square feet, and rooms only get larger such as the sumptuous Superior Twin offering 290 square feet, or the Premier Twin with a generous 580 square feet. A large part of the hotel styling is designed to motivate environmentally friendly living, as visually presented in the lobby and in the Green Wall restaurant and buffet. The Oriental Hotel is another excellent option. You'll notice that in this video we've not quoted rates, as they are subject to wide variations based on demand and exchange rates, so check the links in the description below for your own quotes. And for other places to visit beyond the Expo, check out our videos on Kinosaki or Sasayama, and send us an email with your comments or questions. And until next time, sayonara.